Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware, one VGA output and a spare USB port. Choose an active USB to VGA adapter with a display link or similar chipset. This is the practical way to add a second monitor when VGA is single output. Once you have the adapter, download the latest driver from the manufacturer on your phone or PC. This prevents Windows from installing a generic driver. Now plug the VGA monitor into the adapter, but don't power on both monitors yet. Prepare to install drivers first. After drivers are downloaded, run the installer and follow prompts. Reboot if prompted. Once the system is back, plug the USB to VGA adapter into your USB 3. 0 port, USB 2. 0 will work but limits performance. Attach the second monitor's VGA cable to the adapter and power on both displays. Make sure the primary VGA output remains connected to the first monitor. The adapter creates a second independent GPU channel. Open display settings to detect the new display and set the mode to extend. With both monitors connected, you finish by opening display settings and arranging screens. Drag them to match physical layout and set each monitor's native resolution and refresh rate. Make sure to select Extend these displays so you get separate desktops. If the display is missing, unplug and replug the USB adapter. Try a different USB 3. 0 port or reinstall the adapter driver. A key troubleshooting tip: use a powered USB hub or direct laptop port. Insufficient USB power causes flicker and lag, so switch to another port if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.